Hi everybody, today we are going to see simple Python programs. This video will be very useful. Let us see the programs. The aim of the program is to find whether a number is odd or even. This Python program is a very simple program. Now let us see the source code. Num equal to integer input, enter a number to find whether it is odd or even. No, that is number equal to num percentage 2. If no greater than 0, print the number is odd, else print the number is even. So what we are going to do, we are going to find the modulus of the number. If the modulus is 0, it is odd. If it is not 0, it is even number. Now let us copy this source code. We can save this in a notepad in the name simple odd or even.py. So we can save this program. Now to execute this program, we can go to the folder where it is saved. You can see it is there. You can type cmd. So the command prompt will be opening. Now in the command prompt, type python simple odd or even.py. So now I am typing. Now you can enter the number 145. Now it is telling it is odd. Now we enter the number 12. Let us see what is the output. It is an even number. Now I am entering number 11. It is an odd number. Now I am entering 46. It is an even number. Now let us enter 12,365. It is an odd number. Now the result of the program. Thus the above program is executed and the required output is obtained. Thank you. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.